Greetings, dear teacher. We are group are Juliana, Allison, Byron, Edison, Cecilia, and Kate. And today we will talk about possible futures for our planet, comparing an optimistic future and pessimistic one. Today, to explore how the world might change depend on the decision humanity makes, we will use the future tense will and going to imagine different scenarios about the environment, society, and global development. Understanding these possible futures can help us reflect on how the actions we take today will shape tomorrow's world. Next.
Objective. The objective of our work is to manage the world both for transforming through different plans. In an optimist future, technologies, governments, and communities will go together to solve problems such as climate change, pollution, and inequality. In a pessimistic future, these problems are going to get worse if we fail to act responsibly. And by comparing both futures, we can better understand the importance of making sustainable choice today. Now, let's explore these two possibilities. To continue my part.
In an optimist future, the world will change for the better. Renewable energies, such as solar and wind power, is going to replace fossil fuels. This transition will reduce pollution and protect the planet. Governments and companies will invest in green technologies and environmental policies will become stronger. As a result, climate change will slow down, and the planet is going to recover little by little. This future depends on global cooperation and innovation. To continue, my partner Edison.
Thank you. A pessimistic future. However, in the pessimistic future, climate change is going to get worse. Temperature will rise, causing natural disasters such as droughts, floods, and storms. Air quality is going to decrease, making it harder for the people to stay healthy. Many species will disappear due to habitat destruction, pollution, and human expansion. Cities will become overcrowded, and water and food are going to be more difficult to find. This future shows what could happen if we ignore environment problems. Continue my parent Cecilia.
Technology, education, and society. In an optimistic future, technology will help cure diseases and create better medical treatments. Education is going to improve, giving millions of children better opportunities. Communities will work together to protect nature, and governments are going to create new laws and endangered species. This will help the world feel more peaceful and united. But in pessimistic scenario, social inequality is going to increase. Many people will lose access to education and healthcare. Conflicts will rise and countries are going to fight for limited resources like water, food, and energy. For conclusion of this topic, we have our classmate, Kate.
Thank you, Cecilia. In conclusion, In the end, imagining optimist and pessimist future helps us understand that tomorrow is not shaped by choice we make today. By using will and going to explore possible outcomes, we can see that our actions have real power. If we choose responsibility, cooperation, and innovation, the ultimate future becomes possible. But if we ignore global challenges, the pessimist future will become or really the future is not right. It's our hands. Thank you for your attention.